everyone! Merry Christmas! Welcome to a new video. Today, I'll be doing unboxing of my DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Yee! I'm excited again! Together! I'm excited! Sobrang liit niya. As in, just as soon as I saw the box, it's so small. Sobrang cute niya. So, I'm so excited what's inside. So, let's open it together! Super cute! Sobrang ganda, nakakatuwa. Look how small it is. Kasing laki lang siya ng palm ko. Change ko pa yung... I changed it so that we can put it in the tripod. The one I showed you earlier. So, super liit lang niya talaga. So cute. There's the screen. I already put the joystick. See? There. The tiny, super tiny, so cute joystick. And this is the screen. And then, of course, this is the camera. And then, these are some of the controls. So, ayan siya. And then, the back is here. Yan lang siya. And here's the micro SD. You put your micro SD there. Although, I'm just using my old one. So, I think I have to buy the higher version, I don't know. Basta iba, there's another type of SD card that's I think it's faster. That's the one that's mas bagay for this DJI Pocket 2. So I think I have to buy that SD card, micro SD card. This one is the power button. This is so cute, super cute talaga, as in. Look at that, so cute. Then when you turn it on, and look, it stays steady. See, look at this. See, even if I move my hand, angle it left to right, the camera stays still. So, super ganda ng gimbal, ano niya. I don't know what you call that, but see? See how stable that is? Galing, no? Sobrang ako excited. But anyway, ang nakakatuwa talaga here is that super liit niya. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your bag. So, super liit. And, sobrang stable niya. So, I guess I can make videos now na hindi masyadong shaky. Although, again, di ba, I just actually unboxed my Canon. So, I can also use that. Kasi okay din daw yun for walking. Kasi okay din yung image stabilization niya. And this is one naman, is nice kasi it's small. It's super small. You can just put it in your pocket or sa bag mo. So, very easy. So, ang daming exciting na itatry. Look at that. Super cool. Again, as I've showed you earlier, meron siyang ganito. Do-it-all connector. So, i-connect mo siya here. Kasi ito na-change to. So, i-connect mo lang siya dyan. So, with this, you can use your wireless microphone. Kasi ito yung parang receiver niya. So, you can use the wireless microphone with this. It's super, super cute din. See? You can clip it on your clothes. There. You can actually plug in your lapel mic or ibang mic na gusto mo i-connect para wala siya dito. So, mas discreet. So, pwede rin yun. So, it depends na lang kung ano yung gusto niya gamitin. And then, again, this one, I showed you earlier. Just put it here to block the wind. Kung nasa outdoor ka, so yun, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin. This is the tripod. Super mini tripod. So, super small. See? See how small this is? See? And the case. This is the case. So, I already put all the accessories there. There. So, may lalagyan na rin siya ng accessories inside. There's the lens, and then the connector sa phone. So, ito na lang talaga yung dala mo. Complete na siya. You can also keep the tripod in the same case. This one. So, you can put it there. Yeah, see? Plus this one. Just put it in there. Then, you can also put the microphone on top. So, there. Ayan na siya. So, just this small. This is the case. The camera is there. The speaker is there. The wireless speaker. This one. Then the tripod is at the back. So the whole thing is already here. If you'll be using this, so you can clip it here. You can still use the case kasi this one is, the bottom part is open. So, parang mag-i-extend lang siya ng ganyan. Here. You just snap it in like that. So, okay pa rin siya. Nakalabas lang siyang ganyan konti. But it's still really very small. Kasi this one is actually like as big as my hand lang. See? Super cute niya talaga, as in. And the video quality is really nice. Maybe I can try to do some testing so I can show you. Pero sobrang cute niya talaga. Yeah. Super excited to use this. I'll show you some sample shots maybe. Hopefully I can show it to you so that you can see how clear the video is and how clear the photos are. So I'm so excited to use this. Dami kong i-experiment na gagamitin kasi if you already watched my other video, I also unboxed my Canon G7X Series 3 or Mark 3. So, you can also check that out. I also did an unboxing video of that. So, in this one naman, for my second unboxing, this one was... Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you again for watching. I'm excited to use it. And see you next time. Merry Christmas. Bye.